Let's look at website tools part 3. Here we are going to look at the table tool, that tool that enables you to add tables into your website. It's the tool that we are going to look at. We have very many other tools, but that is another piece that we may need while designing our websites. Let's look at that tool, the table tool. How do you add uh, tables into your website? We are going to use that tool. So where do we get the tool from? You will come onto the tool palette. So onto the tools, then you come to insert table. This will prompt uh, number of rows that you want, number of columns that you want. So basically we can base on that number of rows and columns, then you say okay, these rows and columns have now been created, but they are not visible enough. What are you supposed to do? You have to right click onto the lines, then you say format table. Then lines, you give color, you may give that color to black. Then weight, let's look at the weight of the colors. Then you can as well say you choose among these. If you say set onto the right or the left, that's what will happen. Then you say okay. So here we have added only on the borders. Then we can go back and right click, then we say format table, then we can pick this so that it occupies all the cells. So this is how a table can be created. Then you can write in the information that preferably you may wish. So this is a very fundamental tool. Let's repeat the process. Remember, we are on the process of inserting uh, uh, tables. This is another fundamental tool uh, while designing a website. So onto the process, you just go straight to insert. You go here onto the table, then you click, you underlay the you can as well say let's have 10 by 7, then you say okay. The area you have selected can't contain tables with no more than 5 rows. Yes. So if the area that you have selected is too small, then those cells that you need to apply may not fit in that selected area, or you either click yes to allow the system to adjust them. So here you can format the table by showing the desirable or the cells to be active. Then the color, you can choose color of your choice. So this is the color into the background. You can have that, or you can still format the table. You can as well put what we may call the fill effects in your table. You can have the fill effects in your table. In accordance to to that particular cell that you may want. You can apply the fill effects. So you can keep formatting the table, trying to show the different the different colors of those cells that you have chosen to. So these are definitely some of the items one could as well apply on his or her website. So briefly, we could be having something of this nature uh, for easy and simple readability of items into your table. So briefly, uh, we can as well end here for now, having seen the different pieces that one can as well apply. So that was a cell color alone. That was a cell color alone. So that is it. We can have such features into our website by using such tools. So we have looked at the table tool as one of the fundamental tools that one can use while designing a website. You can add the desirable items that make up your table. For instance, number, serial, so you can have such items and also edited to fit. So briefly, that is it while trying to come up with clear data and information onto your website. We can as well call it a day.